And when you say luck, you mean some kind of drop system that Kabbalists call it luck? To keep it...
כשאתה אומר מזל, אתה מתכוון לאיזושהי מערכת כזאת שנוזלת, שהמקובלים מכנים אותה מזל?
To keep it random and always remind the freedom of choice? Because it's a perfect system.
כל הזמן מזכירה לנו על חופש בחירה באיזשהו אופן רנדומלי, כי זה מערכת עליונה, מה קשור האדם?
For me, doesn't make sense the word luck.
כאילו, המילה מזל לא נשמעת לי הגיונית.
Luck means a force that comes to a person intermittently. It comes and goes, it comes and goes. Therefore, when there is a cessation, there is some kind of disconnection, and the person is then hesitating. Will it come again or will it not come again? Yes or no? So if it comes again, we say that he is lucky. Because no one can say if it's going to happen again or not. That's luck. That's how it works. In order to be lucky, a person needs a certain power of faith, so as to want, so that he will want to help us. He will want to support the group, the teacher, the creator. By that he opens up for himself the channel of luck. All right.